Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2021 1.5 self-charging Jazz Hybrid. Now walking around the car, you'll notice that you do get the LED daytime running lights. You also get front parking sensors, and you also get these 15-inch alloy wheels as standard as well. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what condition they are all in, and most importantly the design pattern of the alloys themselves. But walking around to the rear now, you'll notice that we have 4 rear parking sensors. Moving into the boot, we do have plenty of room as well. We've also got 60-40 split flat folding rear seats, and they do fold flat with the boot floor. Jumping back out now, walking around again, just showing you the rear alloy here. In the back of the car now, you can see that you do have the cloth grey with the black leather. You've got ISOFIX mounting points down at the bottom. You've got full electric windows all round as well. Only the driver's is automatic. Jumping back inside now, you've got your electric handbrake with brake hold. You've got your ECON, and then you've got your eCVT gearbox. You've got your climate control in the front, and with this being the SR, you don't have the satellite navigation. However, if you was to connect your phone via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, you would be able to use the Google Maps. We've then got an extra bit of a storage in the dashboard just there. We've got your volume, voice control, onboard computer controls and track select. We've got your speed limiter, cruise control, and your lane keep assist and your distance control on the right hand side. We've got automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has only done 15,888 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Jazz SR, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.